Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, you are most welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you for joining us. This is Young Heart Entertainment. In my last video tutorial, we talked about the R sound. The R sound, as in the word cut, cut, sad, sad, can, at, land, and so on. So, in today's video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the sound, sound, and how it is producing in words. So, let's get started. The vowel is a short monothong found in E, A, I, U, and EA, as in the word bless, check, get, head, deaf, many, said, read, and so on. To pronounce the sound, you should focus on the correct position of your tongue and jaw. You open your mouth, you slightly spread your lips, and relax them. Your tongue and lips should be relaxed when pronouncing the letter A. So let's go ahead to pronounce the word with the sound A. Then, deaf, sell, bless, bed, check, bread, berry, many, leg, pen, red, get, and so on. Now, to transcribe the sound, the E remains E. I repeat, to transcribe the sound, the E remains E. But AI changes. That is to say, 95% of A sound is written as the letter E. In some cases, it can be spelled with the combination of letters E as EA, as in the word head, and with letter A, as in the word many, or the combination of the letter IE, as in the word friend. Did you get that? So let's go ahead to transcribe some words with the A sound. Any, bread, leg, said, head, bed, check, get, then, breast, deck, desk, depth, man, keg, said. Remember, I told you that the sound is a short monothong. And to transcribe the sound, the sound, the E remains E. The E remains E. But AI, EI changes. It changes to E. The A sound. Why in some cases it can be spelled with the combination of EA, letter EA, as in the word head. And also with letter A, as in the word many. And also by the combination of letter IE, as in the word friend.